Shares of Canadian software business OpenText have slipped a little on earnings last week, but are still up 15% in the last year and close to the one-year highs. Let's get into the numbers and talk about the business. With us, returning to us, Madhu Ranganathan is the CFO at OpenText. Madhu, welcome back to the Schwab Network. Thanks for being here.
Yeah, and thank you for having OpenText, Oliver.
Absolutely. The first thing that jumps out when anybody looks at your guys' financials over the last couple of years is the huge liftoff in revenue growth. Start there in terms of your trajectory. I know some of that came from a big acquisition you guys did.
Yeah, absolutely. So, again, we completed our first full year anniversary of a very transformative acquisition, Micro Focus, in the quarter, and our fiscal 26 aspirations from a revenue perspective, as you rightly pointed out, is 5.7 to 5.9 billion, and we really had a record second quarter. December is our second fiscal quarter. We actually delivered record revenues of 1.53 billion. Our enterprise cloud bookings, which is a very important metric for us, 236 million or 63% year-over-year growth. Strong EBITDA and strong free cash flows of 305 million. As I mentioned, we completed 1 year of closing Micro Focus. And look, this is unprecedented in the technology industry, turning a shrinking business into a growing and innovative business. And we also increased our annual outlook for cloud bookings from a previous 15% to 25 to 30% for our fiscal year.
Where are those bookings coming from at this point? Where is there juice left to be squeezed in the market?
Yes, there's a lot of juice left to be squeezed. Again, AI is a once-in-a-generational opportunity, but for us, the record cloud bookings in the quarter coming from two key areas. Our customers are consolidating and preparing for AI, and that is correct. They're consolidating and preparing for AI, which means higher cloud bookings for us. And we had clear AI wins in the quarter, right? We've gone from a vision to reality, products, roadmap, pricing, and clear customer wins. Carl Zeiss, Philips Healthcare, BMW, FedEx Express, all were wins in the quarter. I'll also add to you volume wins we had. We closed 48 cloud deals in Q2, over $1 million contract value, over 23 deals, same quarter last year. So clear and very impressive progress for us.
In terms of data management, I imagine there's somewhat near an endless supply of demand. In terms of like the marginal change in that demand due to AI, walk me through the specifics of that. Like when I think about the products right now, you've got some Chat GPT based search products. Yeah. We hear about more products coming, but in terms of the scope and the scale, like what's that transition from the LLM developments to what you're providing from an information management perspective?
Absolutely, absolutely. And Oliver, think of us as business AI. AI will be a very essential part of our competitive advantage, and we plan to embed AI in all of our products. And what does that really mean? Our differentiators are, we manage, activate very large data sets. We believe in integrating automation and AI. We have been in the business of automation, and now it's easier for us to bring AI together. Again, as you can appreciate, data privacy, security, trust are all very integral. We focus on AI assist and personas in the wide variety of industry sectors and verticals we have. And of course, being cost reasonable is actually very important. Our AI products are called Aviators. 23.4, which is calendar 23 fourth quarter, 24.1 are all delivered, and soon 24.2, where we will be embedding AI in all of our products. Two other data points. We have 800 engineers on AI, and we're delivering new capabilities every 90 days. And we have built a powerhouse services organization where we're absolutely ready to engage with our customers for their AI transformation. Again, the point is our customers are consolidating and preparing for AI and engaging in real AI projects.
So do they need more support with AI developments? Like, I thought AI was supposed to make things more efficient. Why do they need more support from an outside party if they can program stuff on their own now? Or where's that coming from?
Right. The point I'd make is business AI is a lot more complex than consumer AI, right? When we talk about ChatGPT and ChatGPT 4. So where OpenText has built its expertise over the years is dealing with large enterprises where it is not just one system or application. It is very integrated, and we built practice areas for that integration. Any of our customers thinking about AI is thinking about it in a very integrated way within their enterprise. And yes, there is a certain amount of support or services needed, but it is really about making the complex integrations more efficient. And of course, to your point, productivity will come after that.
Where do you see in your customers big changes happening in terms of like their new product that they're putting out, or something that needs more of support from information management? Are there specific examples at this point where customers said, look, we've got this new product we're building, we need a lot of help managing all the information that's coming through?
Yeah, it's actually wide variety. We're working with a major apparel company to apply AI to their invoices. We're also working with a major bank to detect fraud, a major manufacturer for contract compliance, and a food company to consolidate like literally billions of supply chain transactions and documents to create the next generation of sustainable foods. So it's a wide variety of application, and it really depends on the priority of the respective enterprises. But there are two common areas, or maybe three common areas. One is, of course, growth, augmenting growth, and two is cost and productivity. And the third, let's not forget, it's compliance. So we see our customers applying across, and these areas will, of course, evolve and change. And the most important point is we're ready for it at OpenText.
Okay, and so these are projects that they wouldn't have been able to complete on the scale that they are now with AI support. Is that kind of where the marginal increase in demand for your services is coming from, where they go, okay, we actually need more of what you've got because now we're going to be able to get even more data than we thought we had?
Right, absolutely. So OpenText, in our 30 plus year history, we do business with large and medium enterprises. So we have established relationship with these customers where we have been selling our products and software, right? So coming to OpenText, where we already have a product roadmap and support, is a logical place for our customers to come to us. So I would say that the impact is not going to be marginal. I think the impact is a very long runway. And as I mentioned, we're going to be continuing to release products every 90 days. And the data for the customers is already there. And today with AI and our cloud offerings, it's a very interesting and a long run opportunity to monetize the data in a variety, as I suggested earlier.
Will this be a force able to drive revenue growth at the same pace as the Micro Focus integration, which cinch up to like 50, 60, 70% year over year? Is that sustainable though, or is that skewed from the M&A?
Yeah, no, thank you for that. Yes, it's absolutely, Micro Focus had a contribution to make, but keep in mind that capital allocation through M&A and doing accretive M&A is very core to our business strategy, right? So yes, when we do transformative acquisitions, you will see those very high growth, but our focus is organic growth. As we do M&A in the future, we will focus on cloud and ARR businesses that absolutely have organic growth characteristics. Now, coming back to AI, I can tell you that AI is in every sales customer RFP today. And that is very positive for OpenText. And given our differentiated position, as I said, we are winning business. We're expanding our growth rate for the year. And I'll also tell you, this is going to help internally and externally. We've kicked off an internal initiative to enable our engineers to go even faster with business AI. We call it Project Athena, which is really an internal platform where our engineers can create software on our platform. It's going to accelerate our innovations and, again, help the customers. So just bringing it all together, these are very, very exciting times for us.
Okay, thanks for the specifics. Helpful to understand how the web connects. Appreciate it, Madhu.
Yeah, and thank you again.
Thank you. Madhu Ranganathan is the CFO at OpenText, OTEX, the ticker, Waterloo, Canada based.